lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and excuse my voice, I'm getting over a virus, but I'm on the tail end of things and I'm feeling a lot better. I had a request to do a swatch video on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette. It has been floating around for quite some time, but some of you lovelies requested that I do a swatch video, so that's what I'm going to do. I did create this look using this palette. This palette's absolutely beautiful. I believe that you can still purchase it on her website, but I don't think it's in Sephora or anything like that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the palette. The packaging is so beautiful. Oh my god. Comes with a mirror, of course, which most of you have probably seen, and it comes with a dual-ended brush as well. Here are the shadows. They're absolutely beautiful. So I'll go ahead and swatch the top row and then the bottom row. Fresh, Pearl, Steampunk, Rose Quartz, Ember, Bloom, and Birch. Now for the bottom row, the Cinder, Twig, Teak, Dystopian, Cyborg, Slate, and Noir. As you can see, it's a gorgeous palette. The colors for the most part are pigmented. Just a couple of them are patchy, like these two and this one and this one. They don't really show up on my skin tone that well, not the greatest, but the other shadows are absolutely beautiful. If you have any questions or have this palette, let me know your thoughts on it. Pop them in the comments below. I definitely love to see them. You know, I love to see your comments. I will try my best to do another couple of looks using this palette because my lovely subby Bella DaKid has requested that I do 3 looks with this palette. Listen, she keeps me on my toes, okay, like. But I'm gonna also leave her information in the description box because she's truly amazing. She's so supportive. She's so lovely. I don't have anything bad to say about her. Like, she's just amazing. She truly is. And she has some wicked creative looks too. Like, none of her looks look the same. She's very, very creative. So yeah, but don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Hit the red button if you haven't done so already and be a part of my family. I'm growing a little bit, I see that, so thank you very much for your support. That's about all that I have to say. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.